Hi everyone! Thinking about starting your journey as a virtual assistant? In this video, I'll share practical, beginner-friendly tips to help you kick things off and succeed in this field. Let's dive in. I started with zero experience, using a secondhand PC and a free resume template. But over time, I found my rhythm, landed great clients, and started earning more than I expected. If I can do it, so can you. One of the first steps I took was learning how to actually find virtual assistant jobs. There are plenty of ways to do this, but a simple method is to manually search for virtual assistant job posts on Facebook. Take note of agencies or companies that appear active and legitimate so you can research them and apply later. Personally, I recommend starting by listing down potential agencies to apply to. This gives you goals to work toward and keeps you motivated. There are so many opportunities out there, but don't rush into any of them. Make sure you're prepared before submitting your applications. Don't worry, we'll talk about how to prepare for your applications later in this video. But for now, focus on identifying reputable agencies you'd like to apply to. Visit the Facebook pages and websites of these agencies. Look for frequent job postings and check how long the agency has been operating. If they've been around for a while, it's a good sign. They're more likely to have a stable system, protect their freelancers, and attract consistent clients, which increases your chances of getting hired. For now, we won't spend more time browsing Facebook. Let's move forward, but feel free to keep exploring on your own. There are plenty of opportunities out there, and more can definitely be added to this list as you go. That said, let's shift our focus to the next important step: preparing your applications properly. Being well prepared can make all the difference in landing the job you want. As a virtual assistant, having a decent computer setup is essential. The minimum specs are usually 8 GB of RAM and at least an Intel i3 processor, though some clients require an i5. If you're eager to get started but don't have one yet, consider buying a refurbished computer. There are affordable options for as low as 4,000 pesos that already meet these basic requirements. If you're interested, search for PCI 5 on Facebook Marketplace. You'll find plenty of options. Since these are refurbished, be sure to test them. Retail outlets that sell refurbished PCs are also a reliable option. Once you land your first job and start saving, consider investing in a reliable laptop. I recommend a gaming laptop like the Nitro V15. It's great for multitasking and video editing. You can buy one through an installment plan with a 15 to 20% down payment and monthly payments of 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. For monitors, if you're on a tight budget, start with a refurbished one. If you have extra funds, consider the Acer KA252 QG0BI model. For internet, ensure your connection is stable. Additionally, invest in a good HD webcam and a noise-canceling headset. This is the resume format I use, but feel free to search for others that suit your style and needs. For the top part, I include a professional photo, my full name, and my contact details, such as my phone number, email, LinkedIn, and physical address. Next is the profile section, a quick summary of my work experience and core skills. Then comes my educational background. Under strengths, list qualities that align with the VA role. You can use ChatGPT to explore common VA strengths and select the ones that genuinely reflect your capabilities. Be ready to discuss each one during interviews. If you don't have job experience yet, highlight skills developed through school activities. Next is work experience. List your job titles, company names, durations, and a brief summary of your responsibilities. If you have no work history, include school projects, extracurriculars, volunteer work, leadership roles, or certifications. Next, list your technical skills. Ask ChatGPT for tools commonly used by virtual assistants or ones listed in a specific job description. Take the time to learn and practice using different tools. You can ask ChatGPT how each one works, and be sure to check out our other videos for tool-specific training. While many clients may use the same platforms, their processes often vary, so flexibility is essential. The more tools you learn, the more adaptable and efficient you become. You might even encounter new tools at work that are similar to ones you've already practiced, making it easier to get up to speed. Keep exploring and sharpening your skills. Staying ahead starts with staying curious. That covers the resume section. Before submitting yours, make sure to have someone you trust, like a friend, teacher, or mentor, review it for any errors and to ensure clarity. Also, take some time to research online for additional tips and ideas on how to improve your resume even further. Always work on improving your skills. The competition is fierce, others are preparing too. To stand out, you have to go the extra mile. For example, you can ask, what skills does a virtual assistant need, and how do I develop them? Save the list, take notes, and study how each skill can help you stand out in your job and interviews. Be sure to watch our dedicated video on VA skills, why they matter, and how to master them. Most importantly, don't miss the assessments I personally created. You'll find the links in the description of this YouTube video. These assessments are designed to simulate real VA tasks and will help you sharpen the skills that truly matter. Research the company thoroughly. Visit their website and social media pages and take note of their mission, values, team, services, and any open roles. Carefully review the job description as well. If you come across any unfamiliar tasks or terms, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for clarification. Ask ChatGPT to give you 40 interview questions for VAs. Then answer each one. You can even ask, how do I answer this question? Insert question to get helpful advice. Practice your answers in front of a mirror to build confidence. Once you feel your skills and personality are ready to shine, go ahead and start applying. But before that, here's a quick heads up on some downsides and how to deal with them. Clients can end contracts at any time. Some may only need you for short-term projects, even if they initially promise long-term work. The key is to add value. Go above and beyond. Send weekly reports highlighting your progress and impact, suggest ideas, and show that you're truly invested in their success. Another smart strategy is to take on an additional virtual job. Not only does this increase your income, but it also gives you a safety net. If one job ends unexpectedly, you'll still have another source of income to rely on. Most VA jobs don't come with benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, or paid leave. However, the salary of VAs is typically high enough to allow you to save and cover those expenses on your own when needed. Starting as a VA requires an investment in equipment, such as a reliable computer, high-speed internet, and accessories. These initial setup costs can be significant, and not all VAs may be ready to cover them up front. However, as mentioned earlier, refurbished options are available and can be a more affordable choice before investing in brand new equipment. Now, let's focus on the good news. Here are the advantages of working as a virtual assistant. Number 1. Many Filipino virtual assistants earn competitive rates, and with the right skills and experience, you can definitely earn more than the average local salary. You can ask ChatGPT about average VA rates or browse Facebook groups and LinkedIn job listings to get a sense of actual pay ranges. Number 2. Working as a virtual assistant gives you the freedom to set your own hours, making it easier to balance work and personal life. Perfect if you have family commitments or other responsibilities. This flexibility also means you can take on multiple clients, helping you boost your income. Number 3, being a virtual assistant allows you to work from the comfort of your home. No daily commute or travel stress, saving you both time and money. You get to work in your own space, wear what you like, and create an environment that suits you. Plus, it gives you more time for family, hobbies, or simply to rest and recharge. Number 4, many VAs work with clients from around the world, giving them the chance to gain experience and learn from various industries and cultures. This global exposure can expand your professional network and open doors to more job opportunities. For example, you might work with a US-based client from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. PH time, and a part-time Australian client from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. PH time. Number 5. As a virtual assistant, you'll have the chance to develop and enhance a variety of skills, from administrative tasks to more specialized areas like digital marketing, bookkeeping, and customer service. This versatility can open up new career paths. Number 6. There is potential for career growth, especially if you specialize in high-demand skills. You can increase your rates as you gain more experience or expand your services to include consulting, project management, or team leadership roles. Number 7. The demand for virtual assistants continues to grow globally, meaning more job opportunities for Filipino VAs across various industries such as real estate, e-commerce, marketing, and tech. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. We're all here to help each other grow. And if you're someone who can lend a hand, please share your knowledge with those who are asking. If you're looking to sharpen your skills, check out the links in the description. We've put together a variety of assessments just for you. And if you're on the hunt for a virtual job, there's a separate link below for you to fill out. Don't forget to watch our other videos to stay ahead and keep learning. Wishing you all the best on your virtual assistant journey. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.